Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 15th, 2025, and we're diving into Capital Southwest's latest earnings report for the fourth fiscal quarter and full year ended March 31st, 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Capital Southwest, a business development company based in Dallas, Texas, has just released its financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their investment portfolio growth to dividend declarations.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue and profitability. Capital Southwest reported a total investment income of $52.4 million for the quarter. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
Well, the investment income saw a slight increase from $52 million in the prior quarter, primarily due to higher interest income from an increased average cost basis of investments. However, pre-tax net investment income decreased to $28.5 million from $30.7 million, largely due to one-time expenses related to the departure of their former CEO.
And what about their adjusted pre-tax net investment income?
The adjusted figure stands at $31.3 million, or 0.61 per share, which excludes those one-time expenses. This adjustment provides a clearer picture of their operational performance, showing resilience despite the challenges.
Investment portfolio and dividends. Capital Southwest's investment portfolio has grown significantly. Can you tell us more about this, John?
Absolutely. Their total investment portfolio increased to $1.8 billion, with a credit portfolio of $1.6 billion, predominantly in first lien senior secured debt. They also have an equity portfolio valued at $179.4 million. This growth is a testament to their strategic investment decisions.
And how are they rewarding their shareholders?
They declared total dividends of $0.64 per share for the quarter, which includes a regular dividend of 58 cents and a supplemental dividend of 06 cents. This reflects their strong income generation and commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss their operational efficiencies and future outlook. What stands out to you?
Their operating leverage remains stable at 1.7%, indicating efficient management of expenses relative to income. The NAV per share increased slightly to $16.70, supported by strategic equity issuances through their ATM program, which raised $68 million.
And what about their future prospects?
They've secured a second SBIC license, granting access to an additional $175 million in debt capital. This positions them well for future growth and investment opportunities, enhancing their ability to support middle-market businesses.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about the EPS forecast. Analysts were expecting 62s, but the actual adjusted EPS came in at 61. What does this mean for Capital Southwest?
While they narrowly missed the forecast by 1 cent, the adjusted EPS of 61 cents still reflects solid performance, especially considering the one-time expenses. With only 2 analysts covering the stock, the expectations were quite specific, and the slight miss isn't overly concerning given their overall strong financial health.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. What insights did the CEO, Michael Sarner, provide about their strategic initiatives?
Michael Sarner highlighted the strong quarter with $150 million in new committed originations. He emphasized their intent to continue distributing supplemental dividends and their success in raising equity capital. Additionally, they increased their corporate credit facility to $510 million, enhancing their financial flexibility.
It seems like they're well-positioned for future growth.
Indeed, their strategic initiatives and financial maneuvers, like the SBIC license and credit facility expansion, are setting a solid foundation for sustained growth and shareholder value.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Capital Southwest has shown robust performance with a total investment income of $204.4 million for the year and an NAV per share of $16.70. Despite a slight EPS miss, their strategic initiatives and dividend declarations highlight their strong position. John, any final thoughts?
Capital Southwest is demonstrating resilience and strategic foresight. Their focus on growth and shareholder returns makes them an attractive prospect for investors looking for stability and income.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Capital Southwest performance in the comments below.